Hello everybody, my name is Eric Molundeti. My desire to be on this platform was because I was driven by the will to be able to be of self purpose to the world. My desire is to help people define a well-rounded and holistic viewpoint in living their lives. I'm very passionate about personal development and growth. I come from Kenya, and I believe it's time for me to step into the stage of the world and be able to highlight my story using my own through life, my own personal experiences to touch lives significantly. I have a passion for personal growth and development, and I believe whatever I have within me will be able to impact the masses and all over the world and be able to take them to the next level. It's time we define our roles and be able to master our own ideologies in terms of how we live together as one. We are one, and as a human race, our cause is to be able to be there for one another. Thank you, and God bless.